How can an alternative investment partner benefit female investors? Financial institutions across the United Kingdom are doing a poor job at connecting with female investors at every stage of the buying journey, and that's according to new research. Not only are those institutions losing out on the income that female investors could bring them, it also means that women are missing out on a wealth of potential bespoke alternative investment opportunities. According to the Kantar Winning Over Women report, financial services organisations are missing out on approximately £130 billion by failing to connect with women through advertising and other channels. By poorly communicating aspects such as trustworthiness and dependability to women, they're ultimately seeing lower deposits from that demographic. The larger knock-on effect, though, is that because of that perceived lack of trust in financial institutions, women are missing out on growing their future savings. Aligning with the right alternative investment partner, though, could help them to discover new financial opportunities that work for them. The feeling that women are missing out on potential bespoke investment opportunities is exacerbated by research that only 15% of alternative investment teams are female, and that women make up as little as 19% of total roles at alternative investment managers, according to Preqin. So, what is the solution? For many in the venture capital industry, a lot of women are assuming the mantle and doing it for themselves, with a study by First Round Capital discovering that women deliver higher returns when it comes to venture capitalism. Though impressive, it does little for the average female investor who feels isolated when they want the opportunity to grow their funds, increase their pension pots, or even supplement their income, and much more. Besides, especially for those women who have heard about the potential gains that making an alternative investment can possibly net them. Female investors who don't want to put their funds into mainstream assets and are excited about the potential financial opportunities an alternative way of investing can provide them and their overall lifestyle can learn more about the industry and build a bespoke portfolio with an accessible, experienced and professional financial advisor. A new report by HM Revenue and Customs has also highlighted why now could be a crucial time for women to invest in an alternative future for a more comfortable retirement. According to HMRC's analysis, the gender pensions gap between women and men investing in personal pensions has widened by 16% over the past 5 years, with 1.66 million fewer women contributing to a personal pension. With wages in the UK not correlating with rising inflation and the Bank of England set to raise rates even further over the next few years, putting money aside and growing their savings can be a tough ask for women unsure of where to put their money. Building a bespoke portfolio of alternative financial opportunities can help to negate those fears, potentially grow their savings in unique ways, and complement their income with a fixed-term opportunity. Investing in industries in line with their ethics and more with the right financial advisor. I just want to say that FJP Investment is dedicated to working with female investors to help them understand more about the alternative investment scene and potentially grow their savings. Contact one of our consultants today to find out more. www.fjpinvestment.co.uk